Look at that downspout. We're gonna have to do something about that. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be outside working on my downspout, fixing a problem that I have. Alright, so here's the downspout in question. When we get really heavy downpours, this thing dumps a ton of water and then just washes out a big section of the mulch right here. The reason I'm working on it today is I just got the mulch redone in these beds, and I'd prefer to not wash it all away when we get a big storm. Also, my house is now about 17 years old, and some of this stuff is just ripped and torn itself away. Not quite sure how this is going to work out. I bought a few things, some spare pieces of piping and a couple of other things, and this interesting looking little stealth flow. We'll see how this all works out. I've never done any work on gutters before, so hopefully this one works out. So I got this thing called Stealth Flow by Amerimax, and it's essentially the kit that attaches to the downspout and then attaches itself to this very thin black plastic tubing that you can put just underneath of your mulch, or you could leave it on top of your mulch too, I guess, depending on how picky you are. But you don't have to dig really far down, and it ends up making your mulch beds look nice. So I bought this. It also comes with a bunch of extension pieces that you can get, and it also comes with these little curved pieces as well that allows you to make turns underneath the mulch if you need to do that as well. I'm not sure I'm going to need that for my installation today, but this is just kind of how the kit gets started. So I'm going to put this piece on the end and see how that works too. Alright, well, I got things kind of mocked up here so you can get an idea of what I'm going for. Unfortunately, this little piece that I bought from Home Depot is just a little bit short in order to connect it here and then come around this corner. So I'm probably just going to cut a small section of this piece off and reconnect everything back up in order for it to be able to make this turn. So here's what I've got. These pieces are going to come in, and then it's going to come around and make a turn and then come down into there, and then it dumps into this Stealth Flow piece, and then the Stealth Flow piece will connect here. And this is actually really cool because if you can see, it has these little tabs, and the tabs fit into this, so it's all one piece and it locks in nice and sturdy. But anyway, I'm going to put a few sections of this and run it out along the side of the front of the brick and then out down there. Alright, we're ready to start assembling everything. I actually went back to the store and got another little piece and used a hacksaw to cut the piece off. I used a little hacksaw in order to cut this about 6-inch section. And so now we're starting to dry fit everything so I can put the screws into it and get this project all wrapped up. This actually turned out pretty good. You see the downspout comes down, drops into here, makes a turn around the side, drops down into this, and then feeds into this guy that then puts it into this and runs that straight out into the little drain. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up burying this. I could probably go get a little bit more mulch and cover this thing up, which I probably will do. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So now, next time I get a downpour, I'll come out here and film it, and I'll show you how the water now flows out of here and doesn't just pool in this area anymore and wash all of my mulch away. I also picked these up. These are gutter screws, stainless, so they shouldn't rust, hopefully. All set. But now all this area won't get washed out anymore, and that'll be nice. Alright, so now you can see the pipe comes down, makes this turn, drops it into the ground, and then it's covered up by mulch. And then it goes about 8 feet that way and dumps itself into that little plastic dispersion thing, I guess. I don't know what you call those things. And then it should run that water off. No more washout of all of this mulch anymore, so I'm really pleased with that. I'll wait till we get another downpour and then I'll film and see what it looks like. And yeah, then you can see the finished product. Water's coming out. Working nicely. Whew. Looks like I'm gonna have to seal up one little spot. I see a little bit of a leak, but overall it's working pretty well. Coming down hard now. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it was helpful for you if you need to go and do some gutter repairs at your own house. I think I did this in about a half an hour, and probably $70 worth of materials, so pretty easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.